It's yet another beautiful day. I'm going to be harvesting something nice, something that I love. Harvesting, eating, and come along with me. Let's go and harvest.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony. A love so pure.
There is a ripe mango that side, as you can see. I want to harvest it, and when I came, I thought I could harvest, but I'm short. This is me. I wanted to harvest, but I'm short. And if I use something else, I might harvest even mangoes that are not ready. But we are going to try this. No giving up. We have to look for a solution. So let's do this. Let's do this. I wish I would do it perfectly. I'm going to use this. This is a nail. It is nailed in this stick for harvesting fruits. Let's go try this. Can you please come? Only you. I need only you. Oh my God, this is tricky situation. I need only you. Oh my God, what a tricky situation, you guys. I need... So, it fell all the way here. And it's not yet like fully ripe, but I better go keep it. But unfortunately, even this one that was not about to get ready had to come along. I knew this would happen, but if I wait for it to be too ripe, it's going to be spoiled with maggots inside. I don't want that. The sun has set down, the clouds are clouding, and the moon is morning. And now the lights are lighting. This is how everything looks like in the countryside of Uganda, East Africa. So, meanwhile, as I share with you, this is where my home is, and I'm seated onto this big tree. As you can see, it's so huge. This is where I'm seated, and this is how my environment looks like. I love it. This is how everything looks like. It looks like it wants to rain, but I don't know if it will rain anyways. And there is some good breeze here. I like this spot so much. So yeah, precisely this is how everything. So basically, this is what is happening. We are getting ready to get firewood. So this man is going to cut all the trees and carry all this firewood home, because you guys, I can't carry all this firewood. So he's going to be paid for all cutting, splitting, and carrying the firewood up home, you know. So this is what is happening on this end of the land. As you can see, so ta-da-lam. Oha, mukade? Agugambire? Guha? Twenda kubwahura. Ati bwona buriyaho n'obunyarira mukira oburwanira omu mmere. Noteeka kumaraho? Guha? Ogwo gukutukura? Noguteriwe orukatera amafuni. Wabanza wajya tukankikwatemu ekyokurya. Noisire konkashiko otakwija na butsi. Happening on ground right now is splitting of firewood. As you can see, the tree was cut right here and all those are branches, and now all the trunk has been split into firewood. And not only this tree has been cut, but also this tree has been cut. As you can see, this is the trunk that has left, and the tree is still remaining right there. But this young man has already split firewood on this part also, and I think when he comes later on, either in the afternoon or evening or tomorrow, he's going to be splitting out all this other part of the tree. And also that tree right there, he's going to cut it and also split firewood. So basically these trees are called, is it eucalyptus? I don't know how to call it very well, but you can see these are the trees that are planted mostly in my region, and we use them for timber and splitting firewood. As you can see, are they called is it eucalyptus? Oh my god, I know the word, but I can't spell it very well. As you can see down here, all these trees are grown and they are very huge, but they are not ours. Those huge ones are not ours, but these small ones are ours. And all the way excuse me, extending the other side. Excuse me. This is also ours. It's so huge, but it is not straight. Excuse me. Na school fees byona. Niwe oguma noshembusya mpora ariga muchakanga. Ay kachere hari. Ngaha mweshaka ntamu yokushemba yo niwe. Ngaha jeza ngo mushija. Kare. So right that you're looking all around here, these are split firewood that you saw this man splitting. He split and then he came with his sons and they carried all these split firewood right here. And then we still have like more put onto this. I don't know what's this called in, maybe, what is it called in English? But in my language, we call this one obugamba. Obugamba is where you like put the firewood for them to dry, not be rained on, and it's generally like a place where you keep firewood, This is cinnamon leaf that was cut the other day. We still have more wood here, as you can see. And basically, this is one end, but these firewoods were so many. As you can see, even up here, we have many more, many more, but these ones are quite few. But from, oh my God, this is so bright, very bright, very bright. But the main firewood is what is up there, and all that is here. I stand from here, you can see that all this is firewood from 3 trees that this man had sprayed. So of course the job is he had to carry, and also the branches. So this is part of the branches that these ones you don't need to spray, but here they are, and part of that. So when they are carrying, they use something like this to put on the head, because wood is always very heavy. So basically he did his job well. I appreciate it. They did so well. He's such a hard worker. Yeah, anyways, that is all about firewood. Yeah, that is all about firewood. And this hallelujah be multiplied. Hallelujah be multiplied. And this hallelujah be